control board. Got the wiring diagram here if I need a reference. And the board. And it's a little different brand, but it looks like the same board. So the wiring will be the same. All right. Okay. All right, we're just gonna switch the wires on. Here we go. Okay, so we'll take the big plug off first. All right. Go ahead and pop him in. All right. Take this plug off. Okay. RC. Boom. Next one. These are hard to get off. There we go. See that. Alright. Okay. That's the third one on that. On the hot side. Okay. Alright, then we got the commons at the bottom. Got this plug. Bring him out. Alright. Alright, so we're getting there. Almost got most of them switched out. Okay, we got 5 commons to go, and that's it. Alright. So they're gonna go right here. Alright, so all the wires are switched out. As you can see, just gotta put the thermostat on. Red and white. So the ones we're gonna use here. Okay, and the white. Alright, we got the red and the white on, the thermostat. Everything is switched over. Alright. Let's pull this board off, put the other one on. Alright, we got it mounted back on and in place. Okay. Everything is in its place. Ready to test it. Putting in the safety switch. Lock him down. Kick on the power. Okay, we do got a light. Awesome. That's looking real promising already. Make sure safety switches are good. Let's go hit this thermostat. Get some heat up in here. Let's see how we do. Okay, let the board initialize. Got producer motor went on. Looking good, everything's looking good. Okay. Pressure switch it. There goes the igniter. We need is a gas flare. There's a light showing that it's correct. When it's lit up steady, that means everything's checking out and is correct. Just to make sure there's no other issues before I leave. So I don't have to come in. Wait for the blower to come on. Thing. Well, looks like we did it. It's back. I knew that board was bad. As soon as I turned it on, that light popped right on. And it ain't giving me no air codes. That board had been, I knew it had got fried from something, that other AC thing. So that's just going to have to be dealt with next year, you know. There's something wrong with it. Just if, you know, you got to put a work order in, you know. Alright, so we let it run for a little while. No air codes at all. Light is solid.